All right, we're going to start on assignment 5. All right, we're going to use your previous workbook, okay, from the 08 spa weekend all that. So I've already opened this, okay, and yeah, we're going to start with zoom and freeze. All right, so before you start with anything, first thing you do is to save as 08 solution 3, change to solution 3, save. Okay. Now, after you save it as that, okay, maximize the one containing Monday worksheet. Okay, I can't do the maximization, but you can. Okay, you just click here. Now, select the Monday one. Yep, make sure it's Monday. Select cell B8. B8. Okay, to increase the magnification. All right, click and hold the zoom control, which is over here. Okay, so you can click here and then you can go to the maximum of 400. Can go further some 400. Okay, you see that it's like super big, right? Okay, now you can click on the view tab. Okay, view tab, and then you select zoom back to 100 again. So you go back to 100 yet again. Okay, scroll to the top so that you can see row 1, and if you need to, scroll to the left so you can see column A as well. Okay, now on view tab in the Windows group, we want to freeze. Okay, sometimes if we go down, we want to see the top here as well. So what do we do is we go to click freeze panes. Okay, and then we select freeze panes. Yeah. Okay, now if you notice, because previously I have already selected B8, if you have not done so earlier before you do the freezing, make sure you select B8. Okay, and then you notice that there's an extra line, right? Two lines here. Okay, so this way when I move down, okay, you notice the client name, all that will still be visible. Okay, similarly if I move to the right, okay, everything will disappear, but the blue column will still be visible. Okay, so yeah, so then we control home, control in your on your keyboard. Home is on your keyboard, control home. Okay, control home. Now we are going back to the original view, so we go to freeze pane again, then we click unfreeze. Okay, that way there you notice the lines disappear again. Okay, leave it open. Now we're going to go to the next one. We're going to select Monday again. Okay, make sure it's B8 is selected as well. Now we go back to home tab. All right, we go to find and select. Okay, you notice there's a binoculars here. Okay, and then we select find. All right, now why do we use this is so that we can find what we need to find out, whatever we need to find. Okay, so we select the options first. All right, now this one we want to select within the workbook, means it's not just this sheet alone, but it's on the whole workbook itself. Okay, look in values. All right, and find what delete any contents. Okay, now no contents here. Then we need to type Angela. Okay, and then we select find next. Now if you notice, we go all the way to Wednesday, and then Angela, the cell that contains Angela appears. All right, so yeah, that's how we are able to select. And then when we double click find what, double click, and then we delete. Okay, because we want to find Beth next. Okay, find next. All right, oops. Now if you notice, uh it goes to B15. Okay, why? Because LDZ Beth, all right, got the BETH here. Okay, it's not in a matching case. All right, so if you select, we just start like this, we will be able to set, if as long as it contain BETH, can already. Okay, now next we go to select B9 again. All right, in the dialog box, select match case. Okay, and then we select find next. Now they will tell you cannot find. Okay, this is supposed to happen, all right, because it's looking for a name that begins with a capital B. Okay, press OK. Well, you know why or not? Because here I capital B, but here no capital B. Okay. All right. Find, double click, delete. All right. This time I type 420. Okay. And then I need to type find all. Okay. Now if you notice, all right, we actually have a lot of cell with 420. Okay. So all this location contains 420. Okay. So we click on the first item that marks Tuesday. Okay. On the sheet Tuesday. Click it. There you see it appears on the Tuesday sheet. All right. And you select M9. Okay. Now we're going to close this. All right. And then we're going to close the other two open. So remember we have this all these three, right? We just want to leave one of it open. Okay. So this one close. This one close. Okay. Then we just continue on. All right. Now we go to the last part of the day. Okay. Select Wednesday and select B8. Wednesday B8. All right. In the home table. Okay. Home table in the editing group. Editing group. Okay. Over here. All right. This time we're going to select replace. Okay. Replace. Make sure that the dialog box is expanded. All right. And the workbook is in the selected option. Workbook is in the selected option for within. Okay, it is. All right. And find the find what, that one. We got double click. We got delete this. We're gonna type Michaela. Okay. And then well, replace with what? Mika. Okay. There's a difference. One with a H, one without a H. Okay. So it should appear this way. All right. And then we select replace all. Okay, they will show that they make one replacement. Press OK, close. Okay, so with this you can uh save, and then you submit this. All right, thank you.